Hi everyone, welcome back with another video. Sorry for my last video, no replies for any comments. I was totally on a busy schedule and had to get back to editing works as well. So if you have any doubts regarding my last video, do ask in this comment section, or you could always mail me in the email address given in the description box. And one more thing, the giveaway is over for now, so hopefully next time I'll think about something else. Now today's video is again some breakfast recipes. Last time I had posted few and got tremendous response from you all. This time not very innovative or creative, but some recipes you could try out. So keep watching. Firstly, moving on to tuna pasta cake. For this, take 2 potatoes, peel them and grate in the bigger blade. I have done a similar one earlier. Do check out the link above or below in the description box. In that I had sliced the potatoes. Grating makes the cooking a little more faster. In between, cooking 1 cup pasta. Here I have taken very small size. Boil water with some salt and cook the pasta in it. Slicing 1 onion. In a pan, heating a tablespoon of ghee. You can go for butter or oil. Adding the onion and potato. Then goes in a tin of tuna. I drained off the oil in it just to not make it too oily. Mix everything together. Cover and let it cook in low flame. Meantime, the pasta is cooked, so taking it off, drain and keep it ready. Some salt, a teaspoon of red chilli powder or 2 teaspoons as per your taste, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix everything well. Once the potato is well cooked, take it off. Spread it over a plate so that it cools down. Into another bowl, breaking eggs. Just a beginner tip, if you have got any shell pieces in the egg, take it out with wet hands. It's easy. Here I have taken 3 eggs, beat well. Then add the tuna masala into the egg. Let it blend well. Then goes in the cooked pasta. Into the same pan or any other, add again a tablespoon of ghee or oil. Swirl it all over. Then add in the tuna pasta mix and spread evenly. Cover and cook in very low flame for 5 to 10 minutes. Open the lid. When you know the sides are coming off together, put a plate on top and flip it. Place it back to the pan. Cover and cook the other side for again 5 to 6 minutes. And it's ready. My husband doesn't like fish, so this was prepared when he wasn't at home. Next is couscous recipe, nearly like an upma. Many had asked me again what's couscous, as seen in my previous videos. It's a staple food of North Africa. These are steamed balls of crushed durum wheat semolina. In a bowl, adding 1½ cup of couscous, adding some salt and mix together. Then add boiling hot water just to the level that the couscous is covered. Close with a lid and leave aside. Into another pan, heat 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee. You may use oil as well. Then goes in 1 onion chopped and 1 tomato chopped. Add some salt and mix again. These are frozen peas, adding 1/4 to 1/2 cup to it. Then here I am adding 1/4 to 1/2 cup of chopped black olives. This is optional, you can skip it if you don't have it. Moreover, you could add any vegetables like cabbage, carrot and such. Some black pepper powder, around 1/2 teaspoon. Then 1 teaspoon of dried red chilli flakes. Mix everything well. Adding 1/4 cup of water and mix. Cover and let it cook for 2 minutes. The water has dried up little. Mix well. Cover again and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Almost cooked. Now take a fork and fluff up the couscous. Add the couscous to the pan and mix everything till well blended. Check the salt and add if needed. And the dish is ready. Last one is a Paniyaram recipe with leftover vellappam batter. This is not the leftover from the last video, it's way before that. This video was taken some time ago. I have taken a handful of curry leaves, 4 green chilies and 1 carrot. Chop everything finely. Into a pan, add oil. I am using coconut oil, around 2 tablespoons. Add a teaspoon of mustard seeds and let it splutter. Then take urad dal, around 1 tablespoon. Mix for a minute. Add the chopped green chilies and curry leaves first. Saute for 2-3 minutes. Then add chopped carrot. Mix till the carrot is cooked. Take it off once done. Let it cool down a little bit. Add it into the vellappam batter. Here I had around 3 cups of batter remaining. Add some salt and mix. This is Paniyaram pan, non-stick. If you're using the iron one, you may need to add enough oil. Since this is non-stick, I'm using only few drops of ghee in each. I shall leave a link in the description if I find similar pan online. Then goes a tablespoon of the batter in each hole. Cover and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes at a very low flame. Open and turn to the other side and let that side cook again for 1 to 2 minutes. Cover it. Then take it off. There was already ghee in it, so I'm not adding any more. Continue the same. Making a very basic coconut chutney, grinding coconut and some green chilies along with some water. Seasoning the chutney, add oil in a kadai. Adding a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then add curry leaves and dried red chilies. Now add in the coconut mix. I shall link another recipe for the coconut chutney again above in the iCard or below in the description. Add salt and mix. Serve hot. And that ends today's video. Hope you liked the recipes. Do try it out and I would love to hear your feedback. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and don't forget the bell icon for getting notifications on my updates. See you soon with another video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.